Hi, welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on latest videos. Today we will make potato bread or aloo paratha. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for ingredients, we will first need boiled potatoes, 500 grams, chopped onion, 1 piece, chopped green chili, 6-piece chopped green coriander, 30 grams salt, to taste red chili powder, 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon caraway, 1 tablespoon black seeds, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. And for the bread part, we will need wheat flour, 300 grams, and water for the dough as needed, along with Gator clarified butter for cooking. Mash the boiled potatoes and marinate them with all the spices in the ingredients list. Knead the dough by adding water slowly to the flour while mixing it, then set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes to let it shape the dough into small balls of 50 grams. Now roll it into round shape with the help of a rolling pin. Add the potato filling to one side along with a teaspoon clarified butter. Now fold it in half and seal off the edges with hand or rolling pin. Now cook it on hot pan and at low flame while pressing with a spatula, and add clarified butter to one side and cook it till it's golden and crisp. Enjoy as is or with yogurt. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at HungryGorilla9. We will be back with more delectable, yummy recipes in the next video. See you later.